Andrew Anthony.
Thank you, Chairman. Chairman, as we all are aware that the number of air passengers is increasing every day in our country. So there is a demand for setting up more airports. The government of Kerala already given NOC to a new airport project in Nirumeli and appointed an agency to conduct technical and feasibility studies. As per their advice, the government of Kerala has submitted a proposal to Director General of Civil Aviation to accord approval for the implementation of the project and awaiting the decision. Dear Chairman, the proposed airport is near Sabarimala, one of the largest pilgrim centers in the country. The devotees of Sabarimala are now depending on different airports to reach Sabarimala. I would like to inform this August House that the Pathanamthitta district has the largest NRI population in the country. If this project is implemented, 4 districts, Kottayam, Idukki, Alappuzha and Pathanamthitta will be benefited. 33% of air passengers from Kerala are from nearby areas of the proposed airport. Therefore, I request the government to grant necessary permission to set up the above airport. Chairman, airline operators are exploiting the non-resident Indians, especially NRIs from Gulf sector, by charging exorbitant prices for air tickets. The Gulf sector is one of the highest numbers of passengers travelling from Kerala. Chairman, most of the passengers of this sector are common men and very, very poor people, poor workers and their families from Kerala. During the pandemic, several thousands was returned to their native place, especially from Gulf countries. Those who would like to return to their workplace abroad are charging more than 10 times of normal air ticket fares. Therefore, I request the government to create a mechanism to control and fix the airfares so that the loot of airline operators can be stopped. Thank you.